In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap in Zapier that sends new Typeform entries into ActiveCampaign as contacts. We're going to build a simple automation that helps you save time and keep your contact list updated automatically. The idea is straightforward. Whenever someone submits your Typeform, Zapier will capture that entry and then create a new contact in ActiveCampaign or update an existing one if that person is already in your database. To get started, log into Zapier and create a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects one app to another. For the trigger app, choose Typeform, then select the trigger event called New Entry. This tells Zapier to watch for every new response submitted through your form. Once that's selected, connect your Typeform account to Zapier. During this step, you'll be asked to authenticate the account, so Zapier has permission to access your forms. After connecting it, choose the specific Typeform you want to use. It's a good idea to make sure your form is already published and has at least one test submission available, since that makes testing and mapping much easier. Next, set up the action. For the action app, choose ActiveCampaign, then select Create or Update Contact as the action event. This is useful because it prevents duplicate work. If the contact already exists, ActiveCampaign will update their information. If not, it will create a brand new contact for you. Now connect your ActiveCampaign account to Zapier by authenticating it. Once both accounts are connected, you can move on to the most important part, which is mapping the fields. In this step, you'll match the data coming from Typeform to the correct contact fields inside ActiveCampaign. Map the email answer from Typeform to the email field in ActiveCampaign, since that's the key identifier for the contact. Then map the name field along with any custom answers you want to store. If you use tags in ActiveCampaign to organize contacts, this is also where you can assign those tags based on the Typeform submission. Take a moment here to review everything carefully. Proper field mapping ensures your contacts are stored cleanly and consistently, which becomes especially important as your list grows. After that, test the Zap to confirm the information is flowing correctly from Typeform into ActiveCampaign. If everything looks good, turn the Zap on. From that point forward, every new Typeform entry will automatically be sent into ActiveCampaign, helping you capture leads faster and keep your follow-up process